Hello from Idaho. I just finished a project on the milling machine today, and without an enclosure I have little aluminum chips everywhere. I've got some mud on the floor. Generally the floor needs to be swept or vacuumed. About 2 years ago I bought a used Roomba off of Craigslist, a iRobot 4000. And I also bought a infrared transmitter. This thing transmits a beam that the Roomba won't cross, so I can limit the places that the Roomba will go. So for example, I sometimes, when I've just made a mess over by the mill, I sometimes just place it between my toolbox and the motorcycle lift, and so it just does this area. Now I can let it run in the whole shop, and it does a good job even if there's a mess like there is today. But for demonstration purposes, I'm going to just limit it to this area. So whenever I turn on my milling machine, or I dig out a saw, or whatever, I go plug in the Roomba and charge it up. And it's pretty easy to use. You just put it down, push the start button, and stand out of the way. It has a couple of different algorithms that it uses. It has a wall following algorithm, and then it has a narrow passageway following algorithm. Bear in mind, this is 10-year-old technology. It's not very sophisticated compared to what you can buy, but for 40 bucks, it does a great job in my shop, even with its relatively crude pattern. Okay, so now it's in its wall following algorithm, and it will it'll try to find a wall to move. Okay, now we're going to cover quite a bit of distance, and it found this little infrared wall, and it won't go past there. And so I just start up Roomba. I actually call him Albert, because Albert is the butler that kept the bat cave clean, and it just seemed appropriate. So if you've got a shop to clean and you don't like to sweep or vacuum, I think this is a great idea, and a used vacuum has served me well. Okay, it's a couple hours later. Albert is all finished. When he finishes, he just stops and blinks this little red light, which is my clue to pick them up, turn them off, and empty the dustbin. Okay, Albert is all done for the day. Let's see how well he did. Remove the dustbin. Look in there, you can see we got leaves, cuttings off the milling machine, other wood shavings. Time to empty the bin and recharge for next time. Goodbye from Idaho. As usual, if you like or dislike my video, please select the appropriate button and let me know why. I really appreciate comments, and I will answer every one. If you're new to my videos, please select the subscribe and the notification bell to get more videos like this.